Hello lovelies, welcome back. Watch how I achieved this my updated owo soup recipe. I have meat, beef meat and stockfish. I added blended onion, white pepper, salt, crayfish and tomato puree. And I added native mangi, that is Iwarie. So I reached the plate and I added some water. So now I'll just stir and allow it to cook. Guys, have you ever cooked your whole soup with this clay pot? It took the taste to another realm. So I added potash and I added my dried fish. So I would like to cook. For those of you always coming to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. So here it is cooked. Keep supporting, keep liking, keep subscribing. I like to cool down and I'm adding my oil. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification and be a member of this family so that anytime we upload you will be notified. Feel free to check other of my videos out that you might find helpful. So I will pair this soup with yam. You can pair it with anything of your choice. It really came out tasty, nice, delicious. Wow. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the recipe. Bye.